You send that, and let's say your application was selected.
Yeah.
Then you have like several tests. One is like from home, online, customer service. If you pass that, then you have like so-called SCAD test for concentration, and you are invited to Glasgow. So it's like different shapes, and you have to find like one or two shapes under certain time.
Okay.
So you have this, and then you have so-called RAD test, which is like verbal reasoning. So you have like, I think 11 paragraphs, and you have 22 minutes to read them and answer all the questions, and there's like 34 questions. So let's say you pass that. If you fail any of that,
You will be rejected.
Yes, so pretty much you will need to wait 6 months before you can apply again.
Oh,
But
6 months.
Yes. If you pass it, then you have an interview, which is competency based.
Then we will be recruited in that. Yeah.
The whole process is like very long and very difficult, extremely difficult. So
Is there any application fees or something else?
No.
Free to apply for the process. Okay. How much they pay to you? Is it here?
Between 6 to 10 hours.
6 to 10 hours.
And you can start as early as 4:40 in the morning, or finish like
Is there any restriction for the students to apply here? No? Students can also avail the opportunity.
Anyone.
Anyone.
As long as you are 18 and over.
Thank you.